In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Hotspot faster on Samsung. So the first thing I recommend that you guys do is go to your settings just like so. Then go ahead and select on connections right here. Then scroll down and then you'll see this section that says mobile hotspot and tethering. And you want to make sure that it is turned on right over here. So be sure to go ahead and do that. And then once your mobile hotspot is on, then you just want to select on it just like so. Then go ahead and find over here where it says ban, and you want to press on it just like so. So my screen is black at the moment due to privacy reasons, but over there is where you're able to change the band from 2.4 hertz to 5 hertz right over here. So that's what you need to do in order to actually get 5G so that you're able to get the best performance possible. It is going to give you better performance than 2.4, but the trade-off is that there is slightly less range. But if your connected device is close to your phone, it is definitely worth it. The next thing I recommend that you guys do is limit the amount of connected devices. The number of devices connected to your hotspot significantly affects its speeds. Limit connected devices to those that are essential and disconnect any that are not actively in use. So it is a little bit unfortunate, but that does put a significant amount of strain on your hotspot. Also, I highly suggest turning off any background apps because when several apps are open on your phone simultaneously, it divides its resources among several tasks. So I recommend closing any apps that you're not using, and that can improve your phone's performance and help focus on the hotspot. If you have battery saver mode, go ahead and turn that off because that mode automatically inhibits the hotspot's ability to actually provide a strong connection. So keep that in mind, and then afterwards you should be good to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.